So, the first step is, kailangan muna nating i-paralyze yung frog. So, paano natin i-paralyze yung frog? So, to paralyze the frog, kailangan natin hanapin sa likod niya, sa pagitan ng head and yung sa skull head. Tapos, hanapin natin yung pinaka-soft part. So, kung mahanap natin yung soft part, so tusukin natin yun ng probe or needles. Tapos, ikot-ikotin natin yung probe or needles hanggang sa ma-paralyze yung frog. So, after ma-paralyze ng frog, so, ihiga na natin siya sa dissection tray or sa paglalagyan natin, like of styrofoam. So, paglalagay natin, ilalagay naman natin, i-prepare naman natin yung mga gagamitin natin sa pagdadissect ng frog. So, ano is yung biceps, scissors, scalpel, and yung pangsipit sa kanya. So, una sa lahat, kailangan idikit muna natin yung frog. And then after nun is, magsisimula na tayong mag-dissect. So, una is, kailangan muna natin i-cut yung frog sa gitna. So, gumamit tayo ng scalpel muna para magbigay ng para butasin yung sabay reproductive organ banda ng frog. So, pagkatapos natin butasan yun, so we can use scissor para tuloy-tuloy yung pagkat natin hanggang sa ulo niya. So, after natin i-cut yung nasa gitna tsaka yung sa gilid-gilid niya, so kailangan natin ipin. So, ipipin po natin yung skin ng frog. Then after that, ikakat naman natin yung main tissue talaga. So, pagkakat natin sa tissue, makikita natin doon lahat ng mga organs. So, una sa lahat is ang reproductive organs. So, as you can see naman, no, may mga itlog po yung nakuha kong frog. So, ibig sabihin is female. So, in a female frog, a pair of ovaries produce ovum and pass into the oviduct, which often into the cloaca. The cloaca is common pathway for excretion of reproduction at a time. 2,500 to 3,000 eggs are laid, which are fertilized externally. So, as you can see, yung mga maiitim dyan sa gilid-gilid, yan po yung eggs ng frog. So, the next is bladder. So, in frogs and toads, the urinary bladder is very important for the maintenance of water balance. So, ito po yung parang nagsisilbing parang mga ihi nila, no? Kung maini yung isang tubig sa uyan. Ito po yung due to its ability to store water which can be reabsorbed under the action of the arginine vasotensin. So, yung or AVT. So, yun po yung doon po nila nilalabas yung ihi nila palabas. So, the next is kidneys. So, the function of a kidney of a frog is to excrete surplus water. Frogs often use their kidneys on the ground to replace excess water in the skin by evaporation. In the vertebrates, there are 3 excretory glands. These are bronchoprobes, mesonoprobes, and methanoprobes. So, yun. So, the next is intestine. So, this is the small intestine. So, the principal organs of digestion and absorption of digestion food. So, sa small intestine, dito yung pagdadigest ng food. While sa while sa large intestine is more water moves from your GI tract into your bloodstreams. So yun. The next is stomach. So the frog stomach stores food and mixes it with enzymes to begin digestion. So small intestine, the principal organ of digestion in absorption of digestion food. So stomach naman dito na store yung food yan yung tapos ginamit siya tapos ginagawa niyang yun parang ginadigest na din tapos after digestion na nagiging ano siya nagiging kain siya ano. So the next is liver. So the liver function is the liver plays an important part in the digestion process of a frog. So it produces the liquid that breaks down the food that the frog eats. So yun nag-produce dito nag-produce ng liquid that breaks down the food that frogs eat. So parang ito yung nagsisilbi sa tao pa. Ito yung parang walang tubig sa atin na ng tubig. Tapos nakakatulong din ito pag digest doon sa stomach ng frog. Kasi para mapadali yung pag digest ng frog kailangan talaga ng tubig. Same din po sa tao. So the next is lungs. So the lungs function is to respiration. So the lungs are not just respiratory organs, but they are also hydrostatic organs, allowing the frog to float in the water when expanded. The respiratory sac allows air to enter and exit the lungs. So yun. Kaya pala lumulutang yung frog sa tubig kasi dahil may hangin, may malaking hangin sa lungs nila na pwedeng lumabas at papasok. So same din talaga po ito sa tao.
Good day everyone, this is Morphy Sulaiman and this is the part of the body of the frog in anatomy. So this is esophagus, carotid artery, aortic arch, subclavian artery, lungs and liver, then the gallbladder, fat bodies and kidney, small intestine, mesentery, common iliac artery, femoral artery, sciatic artery, then the conus arteriosus of heart, stomach, pancreas, and spleen, then bladder, large intestines, and the cloaca. So that's all of the body of the frog. So thank you.